Alright, so I have my injector, I have a lint-free shop rag, and I am just going to basically wipe it down to kind of get any remaining solvent off of it. And I'm going to go ahead and open up this bag. Now I'm going to actually, not going to tear the bag apart, I'm going to cut it open because I am not going to be putting the injectors back in the fuel rail this evening, so I'm going to use the bag to hold the old injector until I complete my engine rewiring. And you notice that I haven't tossed the box yet either. I'm going to put it right inside of the box. Alright, so last remaining components, literally a cap full of ATF. Q-tip. I'm going to start on the fuel side, mostly because it's easier. Just lubing that seat. And I'm just going to pop this O-ring right down over the seat, give it a spin, make sure it's good. Flipping the injector over. Plastic spacer. ATF. O-ring, careful with the tip. Now the hat. Now the hat doesn't just go on friendly. It does not want to be pushed on. It has to make a snap. So what I'm going to do, and I have a great little tool bench that has these pre-drilled holes that are exactly the right size. That's just dumb luck. If not, I would recommend drilling a hole that is the right size. I am going to place the injector hat into the hole and push it down and just kind of twist back and forth a little bit until it snaps on. Now, it literally makes a large click. You can hear it. So now, my fuel injector assembly is complete and ready to go back in the car. Now, before it goes in the rail, take a little bit of ATF and just give a liberal coating over those O-rings again. And before it goes into the fuel port on the manifold. I'm actually going to go an extra step and just kind of give a real thin coating with the same Q-tip over the whole injector, because like I said, it's going into a plastic bag for storage just for a couple of days before it gets back in the car. I'm going to put it right in the bag that the ejector parts came in, and stick it back in the box so as to not get damaged. Fits perfectly. I'm going to put it in my bag, which was numbered, so that when I'm ready to put them back in the car, I put them in the same port. I don't know if that's necessary, but I can't see anything but bad juju coming coming from anything different. So now I got 2 down, 2 to go. So I'll catch up with you guys later.